Hey guys, David Peterson here, and today I want to show you a little bit about how I do my open houses. So if you've ever drove by and seen my signs, or you saw me, you're subscribed to me and you know when I'm doing them, or if you're an agent yourself and you want to learn how to do them, then this video is for you. I like to have these cheapy signs and I put them up and down the road on the way to the property. And the reason I do that, I used to have these really fancy signs, but I found that they got damaged, disappeared, and they didn't really make that big of a difference anyway. So now I just do the cheap ones, and if someone steals them or something like that, it's no big deal. It's only a couple of bucks for those. When they walk up to the home, I like to have a little QR code, and they can sign up here. Now, if you do not know how to do a QR code to get them to sign up, reach out to me, send me a message, and if you want, leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see how to do that, and I will show you guys how I create QR codes that your clients can scan, and then once they do, they're automatically on your mailing list. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. What I do next, I turn on as many of the lights as I can. If I can find them, I turn them on. I want it to be as bright in here as possible. I open up the plantation shutters, turn on the lights in the bathroom, as much light as possible. I want people to feel very comfortable and safe when they enter the home. If it's dark and gloomy, it just isn't going to show as well. Now, it is a very bright day in here outside, and so it really helps bring the inside up. I like to bring a notebook, keep notes of people I've talked with or things I want to do differently about next time, and a laptop if I have other work I want to work on in between potential buyers. Again, just keep all the lights on, open up all the blinds. And just another note, I will also turn on the air conditioner. If it gets above 76, I will turn it up, because a lot of folks that come down from, or the Northeast rather, they're not used to temperatures this warm. So and dress up clothes right now, so yeah, I've got my long sleeve shirt on. It's way too hot for me as well, but you want people coming through your open house to be as comfortable as possible. And that is it. Let's take a look around at the rest of the house here. Oh, now another thing I do when I've got people come in, I'll say to them, hey, if you like this neighborhood, I offer a free once-a-month newsletter. It's not going to cost you anything. It's gluten-free. It's lactose. You can unsubscribe anytime. I usually crack a joke about something like that. I love this pool. This home was listed for $410, and I think that was exactly the right price point. But it's got a large square footage for what it is. So it's got a beautiful landscape yard. Not a huge yard, but most people aren't looking for that much maintenance anyway. I'll say, look, if you like this neighborhood, I offer a newsletter, and then I sign them up for my newsletter. And I'll make sure to send them properties as often as they want. If they want it once a month, if they want it once a week, so on and so forth. All right, guys, well, this was fun doing a walkthrough today and the open house. And if you want to learn more about how to do these, reach out to me, or if you want to look for properties yourself, I'm agreeable to that as well. And I look forward to talking to you guys later. Take care.